Obsolete Tour. The Obsolete Tour was a concert tour by American industrial metal band Fear Factory in support of their third album, Obsolete. The tour began June 20, 1998 in Milton Keynes, England, and ended November 26, 1999 in Madrid, Spain, with a break between May and July 1999, during which the band played at the Ozzfest. The tour was actually supposed to begin in May 1998, but the first few dates were cancelled for unknown reasons. For the first shows, they opened for Rob Zombie. They were supported by Monster Magnet, Spineshank, Kilgore, Static X, Dope, Cubanate and Will Haven, among others. Setlists. The setlist remained consistent throughout the tour. Tour dates. Support acts.